Foundation along with Mondelez for giving this entire facility worth 10 lakhs to the citizens of Mapsa. It is not only for me but for all of you all. Please come and have a look at it. It's a very simple yet functional facility. लोकांक एक opportunity असा आहे to येऊन पळोवपाक wherever there is no driveways, you don't know what to do with the driveways, please come and deposit it here. From here it will go to our material recovery facility located in Lucheli. I think a good initiative by this organization under CSR for the benefit of Mapsa. So again, a big thank you to Gaurav, Kenneth, Chinmay, everybody that has been working tirelessly along with the team from Mondelez who have contributed to help set this entire structure up. Again, a big thank you to all of you. Anybody can come. Anybody can come and anyway people come to Mapsa from neighboring areas. You are also from a neighboring constituency. You are most welcome to come and deposit. And I'm using the right way deposit because it's done in a very nice way. There is a ramp that you can come up. You can, if you are bringing it in some form, because steps been kadpachi garaj na, you can climb up and deposit it here. And I think the system is very, very future-proof. I've seen systems like this in foreign countries, wherein you segregate and you just deposit it yourself. But here, I believe there will be somebody who will be here throughout, so that it creates a good system, at least in the initial phases, so that people understand. लोकांना कळूंक जाय की system कशी चलता ते. Bring it, you can bring it all together, segregate it here also if required. And I think we've started with one, so let's see how we can go ahead. Yes.
So is it the first of this?
Yes, it's the first of its kind in Mapsa, and we hope to have more in at least the key spots where we can see a lot of movement taking place. So that will help the collection of waste that we have been facing issues with. I think the department, the Pollution Control Board also has been monitoring what we've been doing. So I think it's a good start. Chairperson Mrs. Priya Mishal is committed to making sure that Mapsa stays clean. We are working towards our outsourcing plan. We had a meeting with the Directorate of Municipal Administration yesterday, along with Chief Officer and various other important heads of the municipality. And we're trying to figure out how best we can do it as soon as possible, so that we completely settle the garbage issue that we have.
आयज आमच्या म्हापसान मेन पॉयंट आसा, थंय आयज इनॉग्रेशन जाल्लें आसा ड्राय वेस्ट कलेक्शन वेस्ट पॉयंटाचें. हांव सगळ्या म्हापशेकारांक अपील करता की प्रत्येकानी हांगासर येवन जी आपली ड्राय वेस्ट आसता ती हांगासर येवन दिवची आनी तुमकां तितून वॅल्यू तुमचो मेळूंक शकता. कित्याक तेंचे प्रत्येक वेस्टाचे डिफरंट वॅल्यू आसतले. सगळ्यांनी हांगासर येवन दिवचें. तशेंच हांव सगळ्यां कडेन रिक्वेस्ट करता की तुमी जे ब्लॅक स्पॉट क्रिएट करता, जे आमचे नियरबाय विलेजीस आसा ते ब्लॅक स्पॉट क्रिएट करता, तेंच्यांनी ते न क्रिएट करता हांगासर हाडून तुमचे डंप एक दिले जाल्यार हांगासर तांकां जाता तितली मदत जातली आनी आमकां स्पॉट पळोवंक कमी मेळटले. तशेंच हांव आमचे अनुभूती वेलफेअर फावंडेशन, तशेंच पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड, तशेंच गोवा वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन, तशेंच आमचे बीग थँक्स टू मॉन्डेलेज इंटरनॅशनल, तेंच्यांनी हो बीग इनिशिएटीव अलॉंग विथ म्हापसा म्युनिसिपल कावन्सील हो घेतलेलो आसा. हो इनिशिएटीव बरे भशेन सक्सेसफूल जावचो अशें हांव म्हापशेकारां कडेन मागता. आनी तशेंच आमची म्हापसा सिटी ही क्लीन आनी ब्युटिफूल दवरपाक सगळ्यांचो हात भार लागचो अशें सगळ्यां कडेन मागता. थँक्यू.
करपाचें आनी चडांत चड ड्राय वेस्ट ह्या सेंटराचेर येवपाचो, स्पेशली प्लास्टीक वेस्ट, आनी तो सगळो मागीर MRFान वयतलो, मटेरियल रिकवरी फॅसिलिटीन कुचेले. आनी ह्या सगळ्या प्रोजेक्टाचो मेन हेतू आसा की जो तयार जाता तो सगळो टोटली सर्क्युलर इकॉनॉमीन परत येवचो.
फॅसिलिटी क्रिएट केल्या ताजो सगळ्यांनी लाभ घेवचो आनी तो घेता आसतना आमकां सगळ्यांक सपोर्ट करचें. हातूंत पळयता जाल्यार मेजर प्लेयर कोण उरल्या, लोक, कम्युनिटी. तुमी जो प्रश्न विचारलो तसो ऑनरेबल कोणूय येवन हांगा घालचें आनी दवरचें.
Not restricted to Mapsa.
No Mapsa, that is one. And that not only that, you should replicate in other places. So that will be useful. I look forward for similar cooperation, which we have already had from them. Mondelez also companies here, and they have been very, very keen to support. In fact, they are committed for the next 5 years. Okay. So that is one thing. I thank them for coming forward. Anubhuti Foundation implementer, and more important remaining is Mapsa लोकांक अपील करता की तांणी हाजो फायदो घेवचो.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.